Quick review. So remember that within the bulk folder for your project, there are all of the bulk data files. So each of these files, so some examples of these kind of file types are imaging, such as MRI information, or the genotype files, such as the VCF files. Just want you to remember that every file has what's called, has a property called EID and field. So for this particular file here, this you can see our EID is 1000032. And it also has a field ID. So this corresponds to the particular ID in UKB that this file kind of corresponds to. So the reason why we're talking about these properties is that you're able to use dx-find data to find files with these particular properties. For example, so you can use dx-find data with a particular name by using the -- name argument. But this is probably much more useful to you. So using dx-find data, if you use the -- property, you can pass in that key value pair. So we're going to search for every file that has the property EID is equal to 6024821. Again, you can use dx-data find property on the field ID as well. So let's try that out. Okay, so I just want to confirm that I am where I am in the project. So let's do a dx pwd. And we are in the root level of our JL training project. So what I want to do is I want to do a search. So we can do a dx-find, and we want all of the data files. We pass in the flag property, and then we want to put in our EID of interest. So EID equals 6024821. And you can see what's returned is a list of 4 files here. So some of these are basically in our heart MRI files associated with this particular participant, but there's also a cell file in this project that is associated with this particular participant. So the more useful kind of format that I've found for doing this when you're doing dx-find data is returning all of the results as a JSON file. So if I do the same command, dx-find data -- property with this EID, and then append a -- JSON to it, you can see that it returns basically a JSON structure that has all of the particular files associated with that particular EID.